Hello, hello, hi. How are you? Um, Thank you, Vijal ji, for joining us today. Thank you, everyone, for taking this time out and joining for this live. It's really appreciable. Hello, hi, good evening, Krunal. Hello, ma'am. Thank you so much, all the viewers, to attend this live. It really boosts me and motivates me and helps me to put across my thoughts process and everything. For all those who doesn't know, this is Jignesh Kalal. I'm currently an architect and interior designer. I have been in the batch of 2003 when Visamo started. uh, that's all where journey started, and all the seeds were planted, and you'll see the results by far now. So basically, this is an initiative by Visamo where all the alumni are, given a platform to curate all the. It's a curation of all the alumni explaining their kind of views, lessons, and memories. Also, ever to understand how it has all taken place, and you already planted a seed where uh, before in 2002, and now we all have taken a shape and a structure. So it's a time for us to share our memories, our beloved things that we did while we were in Visamo. So initially, I was in the second year, and we were, estated in Panchvati Crossroad with a very magnificent villa. So it was a mind-changing experience for now. So it is one of the biggest house that I've ever stayed, and it was really really interesting. Furthermore, I really remember the food that we used to have from Gopi. We used to always have this delicious food, and that is one of the child memory that one can really think of. एंड तभी हुआ करता था कि आई वॉज वेरी स्लो ईटर, वेरी वेरी स्लो ईटर. सो इट यूज टू हैपन दैट आई यूज टू ईट फॉर 1.5 hours. I know you cannot believe this, but that's so true. And Ami Ben has witnessed this, and she is live with us today. So yes, Ami Ben used to come with me and sit besides me. मेरे बाजू में आके बैठते थे, and she used to place this alarm for half an hour, and I have to complete my entire food in that particular half an hour. So this is one of the childhood memories that I bestowed, and it's a very pleasure. Furthermore, I was admitted in Saint Kabir. So it is one of the top five schools of India, and it is quite an opportunity to get into such an education system where you're empowered, your ideas are empowered, you're given a lot of support, mental support, because you come from a different background, and then you have to gel up with a different background. So this is a different kind of two phase which are coming together and joining it. So it was quite a moral support, and many people have supported. There are few things that I can still recall is, I we also used to have this. when we transferred to Inductor Thumb, now in Bhopal, Vasamo, we used to have all these classes of counseling. Specifically, when the students get a little elder and they need little of counseling, the Asha Ben used to come, I remember, and she used to guide us that what should we doing, what should be doing rather than just meandering around different thoughts. कि हमें क्या बनना चाहिए, ये सारा डिस्कशन हुआ करता था. एंड आई स्टिल रिमेंबर आई डिसाइडेड टू बी एन आर्किटेक्ट which I am today in the standard of 8, and that was a game changing point. So this is kind of motivation, this is small little movements that created impact in my entire life, and this is all of your support, and you've given a lot of boost and a lot of motivation which has turned into very proud, and I'm totally proud of who I am. Also, we used to have a lot of government initiatives, so we also participated in Kankaria Festival, which is in 2009. We also met a lot of celebrities that time, so it was very amazing time when we used to get like people who just even dream of staying near us, having a one sight of celebrity. We had interactions on this platform, so that was beyond my imagination. So there are few notable people. One is we had a interaction with Ramola Bachchan ji, Salman Khan when he visited here for the opening of for his car BMW, and we were riding back and we met him, and I'll tell you small incident how it did happen. So we were actually late, and all it happened that we were driving in a private car. So that is also one new experience in going in a private car, that too on the speed of 80 because we are late. And secondly, जाने के बाद sir was there, and there was many people that we also felt, oh my god, this is kind of like OMG moment for us. And then we visited him, we had a conversation with him, and then after उनके साथ हम लोगों ने बात की, उनको गिफ्ट भी दिया. आई रिमेंबर अ फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन जितेंद्र, ही यूज्ड टू ड्रॉ वेरी वेल एंड everything, and we all people like 5-6 people gifted him, and we loved it amazingly, and he responded it so well. I mean, we didn't even felt that we are coming from a very small group of people. It was very comforting. And we also met Ronit Roy ji. And then we also had spiritual things also. So like we used to have Reiki classes. So this is like I have never attended by far now, which I had did in my past when I was in like 7th standard or so. And we also used to have Gita classes. So a lady used to come, and we used to recite all this Gita mantras and everything. And all this used to happen, like we also used to perform this all. So it's just not the learning part of it, but we are appreciated for the fact that we used to learn. So that was a phenomenal thing. So this is kind of ये छोटी छोटी बातें कि हमें बहुत ही मोटिवेट करती है. ये it gives you motivation, it gives you interesting phenomena to develop in such a way that you grow beyond the face. Secondly, at school also, there were many teachers used to help me. So I remember this incident of mine that I was not a bright student, I would say, to be honest, that, I was a little weak in mathematics at the 7th standard. So the lady called Rashmi ma'am करके, तो वो मेरे science class में मुझे maths सिखाती थी. My science was good, but my mathematics was not good. So this is small little gestures of, people are trying to help you in your weak spots and trying to make you very well and adverse in a situation where you can battle with everyone else. So these are some of the life changing and game changing things which has happened over a period of time. And there were Shamak Dawat classes. I remember we used to have this on our terrace karke. So this was for 3 years, and we also used to participate in winter funk. We used to meet a lot of new people, a lot of volunteers used to come, and it was amazing experience by initiative by Shamak Dawat. Then we used to also participate in a lot of handicrafts, articrafts. So I remember we used to have these classes which I was so motivated because that has initially helped in my career. So we used to participate in this handicrafts, associated or made crafted by Rajshri Lele ma'am. So she used to come, she used to bring all the materials also, and we used to learn different kind of artifacts and crafts and everything. Secondly, like going to school is kind of a thing where you don't have new clothes to wear, or what school clothes are you going to wear, and that's a question mark. We used to get brand new clothes, and that is a treat for a person to wear that white shirt and that bells very new branded and everything. And all this used to happen by Pintu initiative. So Pintu as a brand used to help us in this kind of initiative. Moreover, there were entire life had many difficulties as well. It's not just the happy part of it what is happening. So you have also a little bit kind of a, I wouldn't say child abuse, but it's kind of bullying, and you are not able to put forward what you're trying to say by for now. And people like giving counseling ki आपको you have to boost your energy, and you just have to concentrate on the positive energy part of it. आपको थोड़ा you have to develop patience, you have to develop how to put forward your thoughts, where to talk. So this were small little things which were taught in counseling, which helped me right now to present in front of you. So this is who I am right now. So all that thanks to all the people who have been boosted me and helped me for who I am right now. Furthermore, we also used to have this. I remember, from this corona and all. So we were taught how to wash our hands, and that was a very beautiful thing that been taught when I was very small. And we used to have this every year checkup. So there are a lot of doctors and a lot of other initiative groups used to come. They used to teach us. They used to check everything, and then we used to, propagate that into our daily lifestyle. And this has helped right now. So I know how to wash my hands, and none of my people around me did know. So I could help them abhi corona ke time. So that was a there are small little memories which ignite when you come back to, and there is some times, and then you can reconnect it. So this is how Visamo has always been a part and parcel of whatsoever it may be. And I remember there is one more thing, a छोटी सी बात है कि when you were at Vasamo, and you don't used to get new clothes. That is one of the things that every child wants to get a new cloth and new branding cloth, that everyone. So what used to happen that somebody's birthday, some donors is coming, and like couple of donors also used to gather back, and they used to give one brand new clothes. So this is kind of a motivation, and also you are so proud of what you're getting. Like you always used to portray everybody that this is the cloth I have got, this is the color I have got, this is the texture I have got, this is ye brand ka hai. And we have never imagined such kind of lifestyle, everything, and which is every small little things. Even if we consider, I remember celebrating festivals a lot. So what we used to have, like we used to have a very grand celebration for Holi, and I tell you that there is no better celebration like Holi. If you go to any party plots or anything, I mean, this is way beyond than anything you can even imagine. So that much fun we used to have. There have been so many people, so many volunteers, so many crew matas. Every child was in every different color. We also used to have organic Holi also. So this was a new concept for us. We used to read in like schools and all. So we never knew कि हाँ भी organic Holi जैसे भी कुछ होता है. But these are small little things which were initiated by the motive, and then you to educate in small little things also. We also used to have this spiritual learnings also. ऐसा नहीं है कि we always used to have good time and playing and sports. We also were given a lot of opportunity to learn dances, the Indian forms of dances, then also the learnings of scripts and everything. So this all has been trapped. And I loved one of my best part of my entire hostel was one thing which I totally remember these days, was the library part. We used to get so many books, I can't even imagine. and it was so fun. It was so fun. Reading that books, issuing that books was another criteria, and getting, we want to get that book, we want to get that book, because we used to have different books in our schools, but then we used to get like limited books. But at Visamo, you have an opportunity to read as many books as you want. So that was very fun, and that was the best part because it was most colorful books I could ever imagine. Otherwise, my textbooks were just black and white with some pictures here and there. So that was just amazing. Secondly, what I remember is decorating softboards. So that was another initiative to encourage your creativity. So we always used to make this borders with Anuja Ben and Ami ma'am and Guru Matas. So we used to always fight कि हाँ हाँ ये टीका लगाना है, वो करना है, ये करना है. So उसमें we didn't never understood there is something called scale, there is something called proportion, there is something called color palette. ये सब बाद में आर्किटेक्चर पढ़ने के बाद पता चला. बट दिस वर स्मॉल लिटल थिंग्स व्हिच वर इनिशिएटेड व्हेन वी वर वेरी स्मॉल, व्हेन वी वर टॉट कि हाँ ऐसे ये चीज़ लगाना चाहिए, ये चीज़ लगाना चाहिए. सो दिस इज वेरी स्मॉल लिटल थिंग्स व्हिच हैव totally helped me. Furthermore, we also used to have lot of stand-ups and talking to a lot of people. I remember an incident. We where a group of people were taken to Asha Ben's house. So she used to have this beautiful house, and उसमें है ना हम लोग थिएटर जैसा था, स्मॉल होम थिएटर जैसे बोलते हैं. हाँ, सो दिस वाज माय फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस इन होम थिएटर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आई हैव नेवर बीन टू एनी होम थिएटर बाय फार नाउ. So we used to watch this movies, and this was like, wow, this is just beyond going to Cineplex, going to somebody's beautiful house, very small niche of somebody's very cozy places, and you also get a lot of beautiful gifts, food, and everything is there, and you watch movies. So this were small little aspects which were also taken care कि हाँ चलो बच्चे हैं तो उनको कहाँ पे लेके जाएंगे, और चीज़ें होती थी कि बर्थडे पार्टीज वेर क्वाइट सब लोग की एवरीबडी यूज टू सेलिब्रेट नो बर्थडेज एंड एवरीथिंग. एवरीबडी लव्स टू गेट गिफ्ट्स एंड ऑल. तो हमारे यहाँ पे वी यूज टू डू 12 बजे हम लोग गैदर करते, एंड रात को वी यूज टू ऑल सिंग हैप्पी बर्थडे फॉर द पर्सन हु इज दैट, एंड वी यूज टू गेट चॉकलेट्स. So that was amazing part by far. Now by far now I remember schools में हमको distribute करना मिलता था, but this here we used to get chocolate. So that is the different thing. And again at the school also, a lot of things used to happen. So I was motivated and emphasized more on I emphasized more on drawing, sketching, different kind of rangoli competitions we used to have. We used to have a lot of positive talks and everything. So this all motivated me completely to become more an extrovert rather than introvert. So I used to be कि हाँ यार थोड़ा everybody is new, तो हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे, हम तो क्या बोल सकते हैं. But then slowly and steadily when you start seeing everything, so you try to be little, just beyond your limits. You try to cross the threshold, and then this is what have become by far now. And I also remember Sri Devi ma'am. So Sri Devi ma'am is one of the beautiful person I have ever met. And she used to get us all the small toys which are very crafty toys, I remember, and also very exquisite chocolates which I've never seen in my lifetime by that time of period. So that were very amazing kind of experiences that I behold for now. Yeah. So I wanted to ask you, if you have any questions, I would love to answer them. Like, let's have a Q&A round. Hello. I'm waiting for your questions. So I also remember this small incident of mine when I thought of becoming an architect. So I was very good at art and everything. Um, And also my father and mother have always supported me in whatever I wanted to do, and I'm a first architect at Wesamo also, and in my community also. That is a very very proud moment in itself. And this is what I have become by far now. And I've also worked on many competitions, so I'm a very enthusiastic person who's interested in working all the competitions as possible as by now, which actually helps me in boosting my energy, boosting my concepts, my thoughts. And I also one more thing, which is one of the highlights of my entire bachelor's, that is working with Doshi sir. He is Padma Bhushan awarded, Pritzker 2018, the first Indian to receive Pritzker, which is considered as a Nobel Prize. He is 92 for now, and have worked with him. It's quite an honor, quite a learning, which has helped me to grow. And this is how it has been. Everything has been sweet, sour, and sad also sometimes. But yeah, it has been quite a journey. Oh, there is Bhadram Mehta ji. What would you advise the Wesamo kids, and what should you focus on? I feel you should focus on your goals. That is very very important. I feel that it will actually help you to build a career beyond your imagination. You will transform from an underprivileged student or person who is not able to get all the basic facilities, and you getting a medium, and then you should actually transform and show, like when you're planting, somebody's planting a seed, and then you are actually giving all the nutritions, and you should grow in a beautiful tree and reap some good fruits, and you should give back also. That is one of the things which you, if you're getting, then give back also. Yeah. Bhakti Jetwa ji, what are the rules did you break at your hostel? Oh, I remember I used to. So this is very funny that I used to, we were shifted into some other bungalow, and we used to climb out our barricades, and we used to move out somewhere, like we used to get so हमारे यहाँ पे चना वगैरह आता था, तो हम लोग पानी पूरी बनाया करते थे उसका. So we used to wash out all the chanas, and then get the puris, and वो तैयार मसाला आता है, तो उसे पानी पूरी we used to enjoy. So this is one of the rules I've breaked. Take us through the experience during the exam time. Were you ever punished, if at all? No, I was not punished. I was quite a good child, to be honest, during exams, but that was very tough also. So, Ami Ben used to always motivate ki, हाँ बेटा अभी तो आपको करना पड़ेगा, because she used to come at PTM. तो पेरेंट्स टीचर मीटिंग में अमी बेन ऑलवेज यूज्ड टू कम एंड शी इज लाइक कि बेटा तुम्हारा तो दिस इज द कंप्लेंट्स, दिस इज यू आर नॉट डूइंग दिस, तो आपको पढ़ना पड़ेगा ये वो, everything is like small little details she used to always take care, and she was like a mentor and everything. Also guru mother used to always very much support कि हाँ बेटा चलो खाना हो गया, खाने का टाइम आ गया, आप पढ़ रहे हो बेटा, आपका सोने का टाइम है, बिस्तर लगा दिया है. This was very very kind of good support that I have always got throughout Wesamo. So this has quite been a great journey, and you should be thankful, and it's just not about thankful, but you should be also about just hold on. So yeah, so Desha ma'am is asking what is my vacation period time. So going back at from Wesamo to home, it was like you are quite a famous person, and somebody seeing you for the first time, and you have all this knowledge of English and all. So we always used to have good impression that we can talk in English, we can we have a lot of kind of things that we know extra than other people of my age that time used to know. And this is quite a good time coming back to home. There was a lot of love, especially a lot of food, a lot of different kind of recipes used to be cooking, and everything was a great time coming back to home. Yeah, fine, we'll finish this, and I hope I'll see you soon. And it was really great that you came all the way, taking some time out from your busy schedule and giving me so much of motivation, and giving what I really wanted to share. Thank you so much. Bye, see ya.